Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? I've heard people say that it does, but is there any truth to this? Well, first of all, when you crack your knuckles, you're not actually breaking any bones. That would be pretty bad if you were doing that every day. Instead, you're releasing gas bubbles, mostly nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, that are dissolved in the synovial fluid of your joints. This is the same reason why you can't crack your knuckles underwater. The pressure change from the water to the air causes these gas bubbles to come out of solution and form those pesky little bubbles that make your joints pop and crack. Now, while it's a common belief that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis, there's no scientific evidence to support this claim. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology found no link between the two. However, one study did find that people who cracked their knuckles habitually had a weaker grip strength than those who didn't. So maybe not cracking your knuckles will give you superpowers. Who knows? Who